Welcome to Global Tech, the place where technology meets creativity. From electronics to computer science, we bring you tutorials, projects, and the latest innovations. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos. Share our videos. Today, we're going to design and build an AC to DC power supply circuit using a step-down transformer, rectifier diodes, and a filter capacitor. This project will demonstrate how alternating current, AC, from the mains supply can be converted into direct current, DC, which is commonly used to power electronic devices. The transformer will first reduce the high AC voltage to a safer, lower level. Then, the rectifier diodes will convert the AC voltage into pulsating DC. Finally, the capacitor will smooth out the voltage to produce a steady DC output. By the end of this experiment, we'll have a working DC power supply that can be used for small electronic circuits and testing purposes. First of all, we'll gather the required components for our AC to DC power supply circuit. The main components we'll need are transformer, to step down the high AC mains voltage to a lower AC voltage, such as 12V. Diodes, to form the rectifier circuit, which will convert AC voltage into pulsating DC. We can use 4 diodes for a full-wave bridge rectifier, or 2 for a center-tap transformer. Capacitor, to filter and smooth out the ripples in the rectified DC output, providing a more stable DC voltage. Once we have all these components, we can start assembling the circuit step by step. Place transformer and set its virtual values of primary and secondary coils. Place AC voltage source and set its values. Now run to check results.